Yeah, hi Winky. Hope you're doing good. In this session, I'm going to explain you about the payment term configurations with installment payments and cash discounts for the customer. Previously, we have configured about the vendor, right? So today, payment term, in this session, we are going to wind up with the payment terms. Okay, this is the last session for the payment terms. Here I'm sharing my screen. You can just see. Okay, are you able to view my screen? Sharing my screen. Yeah, thank you so much. So payment terms configurations, installment payments with cash discounts. So this is for the customer only. See here. Yeah, so for this we need to create terms of payment for installment payments. The transaction code is COBP8. Okay, then create individual installment payment terms, that is first installments for the customer, second installments for the customers. Okay, we are assigning those installment payments in the transaction code OB-B9 with particular one payment term. Okay, and here assign this installment payment terms in customer master data in transaction code XD02. Okay, then customer invoice posting is F-28. No, this is a wrong thing, and we need to change this one. Okay, that is FB70 only. We will create a customer invoice posting. Okay. The next one is here, post incoming payment from customer. Transaction code is F-28. So no need to worry about this customer invoice posting. So I have mistakenly written this F-28, right? So instead of S-28, I need to put the FB70 only. So don't mind for this one. Sorry for this one. Then here I am going to create the terms of payment, installment payments. Okay. So here I am log on to this SAP Easy Access. Okay, then we need to log on again. Okay. Yeah. So the first transaction code is OBP8. See, we need to create the customers, installment payments, right? Yes. Okay. Go to the transaction code OBP8 here. Here we need to create the new address. SARC I am giving. Okay, own explanation is within the 10 days. Sorry, not the 10 days. This is the first installment, right? You can just take first installment is 50%, second installment is 50%. Why we are giving this first installment 50% and second installment 50%? Okay. So here when we are buying the when we are selling the one material, okay, and that customer will going to clear the amount in with two installments. The first installment is 50% and second installment is 50%. Okay, so that is why I have given in this own explanation as first installment 50, second installment 50. Okay, here we will have the account type, a customer and vendor. Okay, so we are doing this configurations for the customer, right? So you can just take otherwise you can just leave it with the vendor. Okay, I'm not taking off the mark from the vendors. Why? Because it's a demo server, right? It is not at all going to impact your system. Then just baseline data calculation in the fixed date only. I have explained you many times about this fixed day. So this is the day, right? 0203 2022. Okay, so this transaction will take on the 0203 2022. Okay, so from the fixed date only, whatever we are fixing, so that fixed date only, the system will calculate the installment payments and also cash discounts. Okay, see here, in any other material, in a SAP FSU material, for the ECC and also S for HANA, everything will be the same. Okay, so you will not going to see, cash discounts for the installment payments. See, so we are configuring this cash discounts with installment payments. Why? Because you will get this more clarity, 100% clarity on this payment terms. Okay, so this is about the fixed date and also additional payments, additional months. Okay, see here there is a payment block option. So if you click on the block key drop down option, here you can see free for payment and skip account, blocked for payment. If you want to block this payment terms, you can just block it. So there is an option in the SAP, right? And if you don't want free for payment, if you want free for payment in the blocking, you can just take out the free for payment. There is no problem. There is no doubt here, right, for you? Yes. Here the next payment method. In the payment method, you can take whatever you want. You are paying the amount with cash, you are paying the amount with bank transfer, you are paying the amount with NEFT, SWIFT, like that. IBANs like that. Okay, see, in the default for baseline dates, you can just see no default, and posting date will be there and document will be there. So here posting date and entry date will be the same. You're posting the invoice and transaction code FP70 on the date of March 2, 2022. What you need to do here, you don't need to do anything here. Why? Because the system will calculate that the cash discounts and also installment payments from the posting date only. Okay, then when it comes to the document date, okay, so you are posting the document data, invoice in transaction code FP70 on 0203 2022. Okay, and the system will calculate the installment payments and also cash discounts from the 0103 2022 only. So that is why I am telling you 99% of the companies will use the document date only. So some of the companies, 1% companies will use the posting date and also entry date. So here you no need to give any percentage number of days on all, and also fixed date additional months. Why? Because we are creating one particular payment terms for these two installments. Okay, we need to assign these two installments in the transaction code OBB9, right? So that is why I'm clicking on the installment payments. Okay, you can just click on the an entry already exists with the same key. Okay, we can just remove this one, SRAC. Okay, on the enter. Okay, then go to the save button, and here there is a create request, right? Here creating installment uh, payment terms for the vendor, sorry, customer. Okay, then click on the save button and save it. We have successfully saved it. So this is the one payment term. I mean one-time payment term. Okay, you need to what we say. You need to remember this SARC payment term. Okay, then just go to the new entries. We are creating first installment payment term. Okay, that is SRI. One you can take. That is SR installment first. Here this is first installment. Here you can just take 10 days. Okay, with how much discount? 5% is the discount. Okay, here in the number of days you can see I have explained you about the fixed day, additional months, and account type customers and vendors, and payment block methods and payment method default, that is block key and payment method. Then default for baseline data also I have explained you about this no default posting date, entry date, document data. So here we need to take what is the number of days, that is 10 is the number of days, right? And how much is the percentage? You can just see how much is the percentage. 5 is the percentage, right? So don't click on the installment payments. Why? Because if you click on the installment payments, the system will not allow you. Why? Because you have already created I mean payment terms for those installments, right? Then we need to assign this these installment payments terms, okay, in the transaction code OBB9 for the particular payment term only. Okay, then click on the enter here. Okay, then save it. The data was already saved. Then just go back to this option and click on the new entries. Okay, in the new entries you can just see SRI2 I am taking. Okay, and in the own explanation, this is a second installment, right? Okay, so we are paying the second installment within 20 days and we are getting the cash discount, that is 3%. You can just give it. Okay, so I have explained you about the account type, baseline data calculation, and payment block, that is payment method default, and here default for baseline data. Also I have explained you about this one. You can just take the document date. Here in the number of days you can just take a 20. From this only you can just take, and the percentage is 3%. So if any other person pays that amount within the 20 days, so you would get the, that person would get the 3% cash discount. You can just click on the enter option. Okay, go to the save button and save it. I will go into the position and I'm searching for the SRI1 here. Okay, whether I have given the document date or not. So here I didn't given the, sorry, I didn't give the document date. Okay, then click on the document date and click on the save and save it. Okay, then just go back to this image. Okay, see here you can just see we need to assign these two installment payment terms, okay, for the one payment term in transaction code OBB9. Okay, go to the transaction code OBB9 here. Go to the new entries. Yes, so terms of payment, what we have created for the customer SARC, right? This is the one installment and this is the 50% installment. The first, in the first installment we are going to pay half of the amount on the invoice. Okay, then next, what is the payment term that we have created? SRI1, right? I think so. Oh, that is first installment we have taken. Then next, here in the terms of payment you can just take a REC, here the second installment, right? And 50 is the percentage. Go to the payment term here and go to the find out option here. SRI2 we can find 20 days. Okay, What we need to do, you can just go to the save button and here create assign. Okay, first installment for one time for one payment term. You can just give TRM. Then just go to the save button and save it. See here the data was saved. Then what we need to do, so we need to assign this terms of payment in the transaction code XD02. Okay, go to the transaction code XD02 here, XD02. Okay, and give the company code. SARA is my company code, right? Okay, and drop down this option in the customer. You can just give IN, sorry, IN only country, right? So what is the customer that we have here? Naveen, right? I think so. Naveen is the customer. Okay, click on this one. Okay, go to the company code data. Here, go to the payment transactions tab and terms of payment we need to give. That is installment terms of payment, right? We have created, I think SRA C, right? I think so. This is first installment 50% and second installment 50%. We have given this one and go to the save button and save it. The data was already saved. Then next, post a one invoice. So I think customer invoice posting transaction code is changed, right? So this is not the customer invoice posting transaction code. FB70 is the transaction code. Okay, go to the transaction code FB70. See here, you can just drop down this option. Okay, go to the country, give the country and take the customer. What is the customer? I think so. Not the customer. Where is the customer that has gone? Yeah, Naveen Matpalli, right? So here 02/03/2022. Okay, here give the reference also. How much amount that we are posting for the invoice? You can just take 9 lakh rupees. Okay, or else you can just take 12 lakh rupees. Okay, 12 lakh rupees is the amount. Okay, here selling the material. Okay, see, then just go to the GL account. Here give GL account is a sales account. Okay, and amount in document currency is 12 lakh. I think so. Yes. Then click on the enter option. Okay, and here give the Mr. Here Naveen Matpalli. Yes, street is, I think so, Gandhi Street is, right? Gandhi is the street and post office box is Hyderabad only, right? And city is Hyderabad. Here you can just give that 5,24,000 is the postal code, and here there is a region. What is the region here? Andhra Pradesh is the region. You can just click on this one. Okay. Go to the simulate option here. Oh, yeah. See here. Naveen account data and Naveen account data to the sales account. Okay, we are paying this invoice with 2 installments. Okay, what is the first installment amount? 6 lakh is the first installment. Second is the 6 lakh. Okay, So then just go to the save button and save it. The document was already saved. Go to the document and display option. See here, Naveen account data to the sales account creator. Okay. See, the next step is we are going to clear the first installment, that is 6 lakhs, and then we are going to clear the second installment, that is 6 lakhs, and you will come to know what are the cash discounts that we have given in the payment terms and what are the installment payment terms that we have assigned in the OBB9 transaction code for the particular one-time payment term. Okay, there I mean if we F-28 transaction code, you can see the cash discounts, whatever we are going to get. So for your reference only, I will open this image. You can just see post incoming payment from customer, that is F-28 /n. Okay, and give the F-28. Yeah, and here give the date 02/03/2022. Reference. So reference is I think 11 I am taking here. Incoming payment, just take incoming payment. Okay, here also payment. Okay, here take out the bank account that we have created in the SARA company code. This is the bank I am taking. Okay, and amount is how much? 6 lakh rupees is, that is first installment, right? 01/03/2022. Okay, and here just, and here take out the account, that is customer, right? Okay. Yeah, I'm taking the customer and go to the process open items. See here, so for the first installment, so we have assigned the 5% cash discount, right? So you can just ignore the second one. Okay, by double click on this one, you can ignore this one. See here, for the first installment will 6 lakhs, you are getting 30,000 cash discount. Okay, the difference is charge of difference is 5,70,000 rupees, 5,70,000 rupees. Okay, go to the charge of difference and click on the ICICI Bank. Okay, and here 5,70,000 rupees, I think so. Okay, yeah, go to the process open items. See here, we have assigned correctly, and go to the document and simulate. Yeah, see here, cash discount paid, how much the cash discount paid is 30,000 rupees. Okay, the remaining amount is 5,70,000 rupees. Okay, go to the save button and save it. For the first installment, how much cash discount that we are getting from the customer, that is 30,000 rupees only. Okay, here this is the entry. Okay, you need to tell the entries in the interview also. Why? Because they will check your knowledge on the entries also. Okay, what are the posting is that you are taking. If the system doesn't have the automatic processor, so you have to do the manually, right? So in that scenario only, they will going to ask some other questions in the entries also. Okay, you need to be careful with your entries, and that is why I'm showing you the document display also. Okay, then just to go back. So we have cleared the first installment, then we need to clear the second installment, right? Okay, reference 12 here. Document header text is what? Incoming payment, right? Don't confuse. Okay, so I am telling you all the scenarios about the vendor is also a customer. Okay, you are the vendor and you are the customer. So based on that only, Okay, so I'm posting all this and I'm giving you the examples. And here, go to the bank account and take out the ICICI, and here how much the second installment, that is a 6 lakh rupee, right? And the value on date is 02/03/2022. Okay, and text is how much here? What is the text? Incoming payment, right? Incoming payment. Okay, and here account, give the account. What is the account? I think so. Customer, right? Win is the customer. Okay. Yes, I mean is the customer. Go to the process open items. Here, see, we have already cleared the first installment, and then we are going to clear the second installment. So how much we are getting the cash discount? So 18,000 rupees we are getting the cash discount, and that is percentage, right? 3% within within 20 days only you will get the 3%. I mean, whatever the configurations we have done, based on that only system will take all these cash discounts. Okay, what is the charge of difference? 5,82,000 rupees, right? Go to the charge of difference, click on the ICICI, and 5,82,000 is the difference. Go to the process open items and go to the document and simulate it. See here, this is the entry that we are getting. Okay, then go to the save button and save it, and also go to the document and display this option. See here how much now we are getting for the second installment, 18,000 rupees only. For the first installment, how much we have got? 30,000 rupees to go, right? So this is about the installment payments with the cash discount. Okay, so you need to learn about this one, otherwise it will be the difficult one to explain the about these terms of payments to the interviewer. Okay, you need to explain, otherwise I think you will not success in your interview. Okay, you need to tell from the scratch to end to the interviewer. Okay, so I'm coming back to this SAP EC access screen. Okay, so until, you just need to take care of yourself and prepare well, and we will conduct mock interviews for this SAP FICO. Okay, be ready for that one. I will take all those concepts. Okay, I will take each and every concept, and I will ask those questions on particular concepts only. Okay, and you need to tell the developments and also enhancements for this one. Okay, and also what are the changes that are made in the S4 HANA comparing to the ECC. And then next one is the technical aspects. You should very careful with that one. I mean, in our training only it will going to complete. So no worries. Until, take care and bye.